The Fantastic Four is esoterically connected to the four horsemen of the apocalypse and the four classical elements when you're talking about earth, air, water, and fire. Now, the archetypes of the Fantastic Four is the blueprint of the primordial forces of nature. The Thing was a representation of earth, which is carbon, that represents the unshakable foundation of the material plane. The Human Torch was a representation of fire that's energetically connected to a form of transformation that leads to destruction, which is the precursor to resurrection. And the Invisible Woman was a representation of water, which is emotion that is cultivated by energy and motion. And Mr. Fantastic was a representation of air that is cultivated by communication and flexibility. Now, the Silver Surfer was basically the personification of ether that's associated with Mercury, and Mercury is associated with Thoth. And Thoth is also known as the messenger. Then you have Gemini and Uranus all the way up until the year of 2033. So they're basically telling you what time it is by way of the symbolism that is basically being extracted by the movies. What you got to understand is that everything that takes place on physical Earth corresponds with the planets. And you got 4 planets right now in retrograde. And then you just have 4 celebrities that died. So the movie Fantastic Four is actually a Luciferian ritualistic sacrifice about Judgment Day. Every single superhero movie that comes out is talking about you, the chosen one. That's why you're here to be legendary. You're not here to be a damn mascot. You was built for the spiritual journey, and they was built for the bleachers. Now, when you get into the esoterics of ancient Proto-Semitic languages, the 4 is interchangeable with the letter A, which is an ancient alpha symbol that creates the solar eclipse.